Welcome to our channel. Setting up TD Bank Online Access enables you to manage your banking needs digitally with convenience. Here's how to create your online account. Step 1. Go to tdbank.com using your preferred web browser. Click the Enroll Now button located near the Sign-in section on the homepage. Step 2. Select the type of account you want to enroll for online access. TD Bank offers personal banking, small business banking, and credit card enrollment options. Step 3. Enter your TD Bank account number, which you can find on your bank statement, checkbook, or debit card. Also provide your Social Security number or tax ID for verification. Step 4. TD Bank will verify your identity by asking questions about your account and personal history. Answer these security questions accurately to continue with enrollment. Step 5. Create your customer ID, which will serve as your username for logging into TD Bank online services. Choose something memorable but secure. Step 6. Set a strong password that includes at least 8 characters with a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Step 7. Enter your email address where TD Bank can send account notifications, security alerts, and important updates about your account. Step 8. Choose your security questions and provide answers that only you would know. These are used for account recovery and additional security verification. After completing these steps, you'll have full access to TD Bank's online banking platform, where you can view balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and manage your accounts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.